everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on AliExpress application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change language on AliExpress, firstly open up your AliExpress application. The home page of AliExpress application will appear on the screen. Click on Account button at the bottom right side of the screen. On the next page, tap on little gear icon at the top right side of the page and click on Language option. Select and tap on any language you prefer and tap on it. This is how you can change language on AliExpress application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.